Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan S. 650cc, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This thing has a super cool matte green finish. Traded in with just 12 miles on the odometer. This is your chance. Save over $1,000 over the price of a new one on a 12-mile bike. Make your middleweight cruiser dreams come true with this gorgeous Vulcan S 2019. 11 months of the factory warranty remain. Just $69.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.